For more than 50 years, the name Ille has stood not only for hygiene and cleanliness, but above all for good service.
Für den Kunden war das auch eine neue Sache.
As was a new offering which was welcomed by customers. Clients in the gastronomy business did not necessarily regard washroom hygiene as their main job. Ille was able to solve this problem for them. Clients know there are always supplies, the equipment works, and this has helped us succeed in the market.
Funktionieren, und das hat uns also sehr weit nach vorne gebracht.
Meine Vision war eigentlich immer,
becoming the market leader in Germany has always been my vision. Though I did not know it would take us 50 years. But we succeeded, and we are now the market leader in Europe.
Aber ich wollte auch damals nur Marktführer in Deutschland werden. Heute sind wir der Marktführer in Europa.
Each of the company's 500 employees across Europe knows Ille provides outstanding service.
As part of the Ille service subscription, we install the dispensers and regularly resupply them with suitable, high-quality materials. Our clients don't have to take care of anything, and they don't have to buy the dispensers.
Das übernehmen wir.
Modern logistics, thorough quality control, and outstanding product innovations provide the basis for global customer satisfaction.
Ideas for new products are generated in the market, with our clients playing a crucial role. Our service drivers and sales representatives bring those ideas to us, and our in-house development team takes care of implementation.
Our personal field sales and customer service represents another key strength of the company.
The Ille field sales and customer service provides customers with on-site support and advice. It helps us deal with client requests in a timely manner, or to find individual solutions for washrooms of all sizes, from a single toilet to large facilities at trade fairs, stadiums, or rest stops.
Oder an Raststätten.
With 30 service branch offices across Europe, Ille provides its services to 50,000 customers. The advantages of Ille's services can be enjoyed by all clients. Messe Frankfurt, a big customer for many years, currently has 5,200 Ille dispensers installed.
At Messe Frankfurt, we have chosen Ille's hygiene products for our washrooms. As a strong partner, Ille is flexible, always approachable, and fast when it comes to implementing innovative solutions.
Innovative Lösungen schnell umsetzen zu können.
We chose Ille because they offer perfect logistics from start to finish. From our rooms to the kitchen and the service area, there is no hassle having to place orders. Resupplies are automated, so we really enjoy seamless logistics here.
Nahtlose Logistik genießen dürfen.
Der Grundgedanke war, dass die Mitarbeiter mehr in
The basic idea was to better involve our employees into company decisions. We were interested in hearing their views, and good proposals were also implemented. The new generation continues on the same path, and we're very grateful for that. It's crucial for the long-term success of our company.
Das ist das A und O, damit die Firma in Zukunft auf Dauer Erfolg hat.